Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what we're making today? Homemade mac and cheese and fried ribs. But before we get into that, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, hit that sound notification button, like, and leave a comment. Okay guys, the first thing that we're going to do is boil our noodles. We're going to boil them for 8 to 12 minutes or until they're al dente, and we're going to finish cooking them off in the oven. I already sauteed my water, so we're going to pour the noodles inside. We're going to give that a quick stir, and then we're going to let them boil. While they're cooking, we're going to start on our cheese sauce. Okay guys, we melted 1/2 stick of butter, and now we're going to add our flour. We're going to make a room for our cheese sauce. We're going to mix that well together. And once it gets well combined, we're going to add our whipping cream. Okay, we're going to add our heavy whipping cream in now and keep stirring. Once that gets combined really good, we're going to add our ragu cheese jar, which is this. And we're also going to add sour cream. We're going to add our cheese now. I'm going to pour half of our sour cream inside. It's 8 ounces, half of it. So 1 cup. We're going to give that a good mix, and then we're going to let that cook. We're going to only let the cheese sauce cook for about 5 minutes. I had the temperature set to medium heat, which is 5 on the stove. Now we're going to add our seasonings. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt and 1 tablespoon of accent. We're going to mix that really good, and we're going to be done. We're going to get ready to assemble our mac and cheese. Okay guys, our noodles are done, our cheese sauce is done. We're going to add the cheese sauce to the noodles and give it a good mix. Okay, now we're going to add our cheeses. We have Colby Jack cheese, and we also have mild. We're going to mix that up really good, and we're going to go pour it in the pan. Look how cheesy that is. It looks so good. Okay, we're going to pour half of the mac and cheese inside the pan. We're going to use provolone cheese. We're going to layer that. I got this idea from a cooking page, the provolone cheese slices. From my Facebook page, it looked so good, so I wanted to try it for myself. Now we're going to add the other layer of mac and cheese on top. Okay, now we're going to add another layer of provolone cheese on top. Then we're going to add the rest of our cheese on top. And then we're going to bake this at 350 degrees. And we're going to have it in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. And we'll be back once that's finished. Okay guys, now we're going to get to our ribs. I have St. Louis style pork spare ribs, but you can use whatever kind you like. I'm going to get these bad boys clean and cut up and I'll be back so we can season them and deep fry them. Okay guys, my ribs are cleaned and seasoned. I use vinegar and lime juice to clean the ribs, and I go to my seasonings. I use Accent Complete Seasoning, Lawry seasoning salt, and garlic salt. Now we're gonna add some mustard. And eggs. I'm gonna mix that well together, and then we're gonna go straight to the fryer. And guys, I use the egg and the mustard because it helps the ribs get a nice crunch and crispy texture. Okay guys, we're gonna head over to the fryer now. I already floured my ribs. I use just regular self-rising flour. We're gonna drop them in a deep fryer now. And we're gonna let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'll be back once they're finished, guys. Okay guys, it's time to take the ribs out. Look at these guys. Look so good. I told you that mustard and them eggs make the crisp and the texture on these ribs so good. I'm gonna finish these up, and I'll be back once I'm finished. Okay guys, this is our final product. We're gonna dig into the mac and cheese. We're gonna fix up the plate. Go ahead. I want you guys to see all of that cheesiness inside of there. It looks so good. Look at you. Look at that, guys. That looks so good. Now let's dig into this mac and cheese some more. Let me show you guys the inside. That looks so yummy, guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you guys so much.